Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you on your MobiOffice app. So all you have to do in first, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on external fonts folder, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you get subscribe here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. You add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.